Namaste everyone. Today I will be showing you how to do a Chakraasana. About Chakraasana. Chakraasana is one of the asanas from yoga. It has lots of benefits. It's called backbend asana, very good for spine, our kidneys, pancreas, liver, and people who have asthma. But before doing this asana, please consult your doctor because sometimes if we have neck problem and back problem, it won't be a good asana to try. Otherwise, if you are fit and healthy, this is a very good asana for your flexibility, for your back, for your heart, for your kidney, liver, pancreas. As I said, doing this asana you will feel completely calm, relaxed and fresh. Alright everyone, let's try doing Chakraasana. So for Chakraasana, you need to lie on the ground first. Lie on the floor. So let's do it. We lie on the floor. Our legs should be folded. This. Now we stretch our hands towards the sky and palms facing towards the sky. Take a deep breath and place your hands under your shoulders. Alright, like that. Now the next thing is to lift your torso up, like lifting your body up. So let's do it. Feet on the ground, body up, stretch. Stretch the max you can. Yeah. And come back. Yeah. Relax. And to come out of this position, you roll up on your left side and you get up. Take your own sweet time. There's no hurry. And you can repeat this as much as your body allows. It makes you feel really peaceful and really light. There are a lot of variations for Chakraasana. So don't worry, this is the basic Chakraasana I taught you. Start with this and you can modify your Chakraasana accordingly. So do try this asana at home and let me know how did you like doing this asana. Thanks for watching my video everyone. Om Shanti. Namaste. See you next time.